na nababakabalin. Welcome to INQUIRE in Pampanga. For today's video guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Hotel Grand located sa may Clark Air Base, Pampanga, and we're gonna tour you to this place, this complex. Ano ba yung mga amenities, mga pwede nyong gawin at puntahan dito. If you wanna know more, sabahan niyo po ako. Let's go! Alright, so it's swimming time. And nga pala guys, this is how it looks like during the day. Ito yung Grand Hotel natin. Actually, dito sa CSM, dalawa yung hotel structure. So the first one is the Airport Hotel, and then this is the Grand Hotel naman. Swimming pool area. Ito ang pinakamalaking swimming pool so far na napag-staycationan natin. Kids have dipped. Ladies and gentlemen, the kids have dipped.
Malamig daw, tebe kami floaty ako.
Good. Bahay ng... Ay, go there.
Bahay tubo.
Nice one, Luis.
No, that's mushroom.
Mushroom? It's not a house?
That's mushroom house. Mommy's mushroom house.
So, ayun din guys, I would like to mention ito pala is a complex of resort, hotel, at saka mga business stalls. So, meron tayong business stalls available dun sa harap that are available for renting, no? So, if you are startup business or an existing business, you want to extend, it's available yung mga stalls natin. Wow, you're floating! Look, this is 4 feet.
Shopee affiliate, pwede si
Shopee affiliate. Yung link dun sa swimsuit ni Luis or yung floating niya is link under the video. Nice. You win. As far as I know, even if hindi po kayo naka-check-in sa mga hotels natin, you can actually enjoy the swimming pool. Walk-ins are welcome. You can utilize yung mga kubo. Ayan, may mga kubo-kubo tayo. Meron din tayong mga sunbathing chairs. Shower is also available. So, ayun guys, not necessarily book a room. Enjoy nyo lang tong swimming pool na to. Pwede siya guys. Get in. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Single. Oops. With Chase. Night update guys, this is how it looks like during the evening. Ito pong Grand Hotel dito sa may Clark. Actually, our pool is so cozy, and the size of this one is actually large. Super large, one of the biggest pools na nakita rin namin. Meron tayong pool party sa mga guests, sa mga staff din ng hotel natin. So samahan natin sila, tingnan natin yung kanilang happenings and gigs. But tomorrow, dito tayo magsuswimming. So, eto yung sinasabi ko guys. We have two properties for the hotel. It's the first one and then here's the second one. So, dito tayo nagstay ngayon. 3 different kinds of rooms. Yung sa atin, we were assigned dun sa family room. So, meron siyang dalawang bed, queen size bed, and then the other one is a single. Yung kinadyan naman, so na-assign naman sila dun sa single room. Single queen size bedroom fit for them. 3 lang naman sila including yung infant.